Would you like to see a world first? Right. So we decided, come on, we wanted to AI enable our receptionist. How about that? Yeah? And everyone knows, yesterday we turned the receptionist, our AI-enabled receptionist, into a Carlisle United superfan. I did that especially for Dan, because he's a Newcastle fan. And it was brilliant. You know, who's a better team? Carlisle United? Newcastle United?
We all know the answer to that.
Carlisle United. Who's been to Wembley more times in the last 25 years? Carlisle United. Anyway, so I want you to meet OhBot. Now, you know what it's like? Children, animals, presentations, videos embedded in presentations. You know what can go wrong here? So, Dan, are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm not sure.
Come on.
Yeah, this is actually slightly terrifying for me. Yes, it could all go horribly wrong, couldn't it? It could. Yeah, I'm the developer here with Fact, actually. We've spent almost 10 years developing this robot. We also make a little one too. I've got it in my pocket, bits of my pockets. But what it is a creative tool. And that's the thing about it. Children are able to create programs to bring the robot to life. And so we've got, I don't know, show that. Are you able to switch? Oh, there we are. Yes. So it looks like Scratch, but it's not Scratch. It's something we developed that works like Scratch, but it's designed to program ahead. So we're programming speech and movement, expressive movement, gesture, and also sensing. And that's what we're going to have a little look at. And this is the risky bit now. Very excited to see GPT. I don't know if you've had a chance to play with it, but it is, for me, I think it's the most exciting accessible AI development that I've seen in my lifetime. I really do think it's an absolutely incredible thing. And we're still trying to understand what it does and what it can do. But we've added it to the app, but we thought it would be interesting to see how we can use it. And so it is essentially an enormous language model. So you, like a function machine, you throw some text into it, and it comes back with a response. So we're going to have a go at using it here with the robot, And so I've set up a program here that should, here's the word, I won't say it because it'll wake up. When it hears a particular word, it will wake up. And then we're going to have a go. What I've done is to add a bit into this. I'm going to have a go at getting the robot to speak in character. So we've got a choice now. Matt, are you able to show the character choices? Yeah, these, I know they're a little bit random, perhaps. God.
Which one do you fancy? Angry octopus, I bet you. I knew that was going to happen.
No, okay, it sounds like we're going to start with the bad-tempered octopus. I'm going to have to ask you to go into character on that. And then if you could be thinking about some suitable questions for a bad-tempered octopus while I'm doing that. And then we'll try it now, and I'll take your questions, and we'll see whether we can get the robot to respond in character. You can see, see in there what about that. So I'm going to say change.
Who should I change to?
Yes, I'm. Octopus.
Answer this as if you are an extremely bad-tempered octopus.
What did I say? Trust me, yesterday this worked, right?
Okay, well, let's try this now. Actually, it's in.
Have you got a question for a bad-tempered octopus?
One.
Question over here.
Favorite rock band? Great. That's
Great. Okay, I'm already thinking where it might go. That's a great one.
listen.
Speak to me.
What is your favorite rock band?
I don't care about rock bands.
Has anyone got another question for the octopus? It's bad tempered. Oh, there's someone over there. Look at this. What makes you most angry? Listen.
Speak to me.
What makes you most angry?
Being disturbed while I'm sleeping.
Can we try another one? Another character?
I think we're out of time, Dan.
Okay. No, that's good.
No, but before you go off, can we give these guys a big round of applause? Yeah? And just to say, you know, one of the things that we really need to do in this country is promote UK tech, don't we? These guys have been developing these systems for 18 years. In their own time, in a garage, and also, I've seen your cupboard actually.
Yeah, it is. We are in the cupboard, and I will say that 2/3 of the whole company are here today.
Yeah. So well done,
only
guys.
Another person.
Terrific.